Bombay from Dubai 5 years ago, and as excited as I was, I didn't realize I needed to take extra care to manage my skin because of all the pollution around me. So, I came up with a foolproof routine to pollution-proof my skin, and I'm here to share all my secrets with you. So let's go. Now we all love some pampering, and with everything we put our skin through, it actually deserves it. What I use is an antioxidant-rich face mask with green tea, yogurt, and honey. Green tea is an excellent detox for your body as well as your face. Yogurt is deeply hydrating, while honey has excellent anti-aging properties and leaves your skin with a healthy glow. So I keep this mask on for about 15 minutes, and what I'm left with is silky, smooth, selfie-ready skin. So here's the thing about your skin. As much as you want it to behave, it is going to attract pollutants from the surroundings and clog your pores. So to put an end to the pollutant party happening in your skin, you have to cleanse your face at least twice a day with a good face wash that can fight these pollutants. I'm currently loving the MCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Wash. It really helps cleanse my pores and prevents acne. Its coffee extracts tone and tighten the skin, while hydrating seaweed moisturizes and helps fight wrinkles. Infused with purifying white water lily extracts, this face wash helps suck out all the nasty toxins that pollution leaves behind. You know how you instantly feel 100% more awesome after your morning cup of coffee? That's how your skin feels after using this face wash. Now to really flush out all that filth, 2 to 3 times a week, add a scrub to your cleansing routine. I love this scrub because it has one of my favorite things, coffee. And coffee is an antioxidant, so with regular use, it's going to leave your skin softer, smoother, and keep you looking younger for longer. Also, by the way, it has another perk too. Working at Glamorous means I'm constantly in and out of makeup for shoots. Plus, with weekends and occasions, my makeup days really add up. And what I've found is that this scrub takes off every last bit of makeup from my face, which is a huge blessing. The granules in this are made with all natural ground walnut, unlike many scrubs that use plastic beads. Overall, my skin looks much clearer and feels silky to touch. If you don't apply sunscreen, you will get pigmentation. It's literally as simple as that. Sunscreen is the main thing you need that's going to help take care of your skin. Now, I personally hate the white cast sunscreens can leave behind, so I like going for gel-based sunscreens which get absorbed really easily. So even when you reapply the sunscreen, it doesn't feel too heavy. And the thing to remember here is that it's not just your face, but also your lips and neck that can get pigmented if you avoid sunscreen altogether. So never neglect your body. You can be a sunflower all you want in the mornings when your skin is maximizing that vitamin D production. However, between 11 to 3, when the sunlight is at its worst, you're probably better off taking cover. Thankfully for us makeup lovers, you can even find sunscreen-infused makeup. Remember, SPF is your BFF, and your skin will thank you 20 years from now. Now it's no surprise that pollution like UV rays and cigarette smoke can damage your skin. And antioxidants are the superheroes that fight them off. I've been using vitamin C and retinol for a while now, and it's genuinely made a difference to my skin. They can help neutralize the negative effects of pollution and improve your skin. These guys are your skin's absolute BFF. They reduce dark spots, shrink pores, reduce wrinkles, fluffiness, puffiness, you name it, they do it. As great as they are, they happen to be active ingredients as well as photosensitive, which means that they do react with sunlight, so it's the best to use them at night and slather a generous amount of sunscreen in the morning. And trust me when I say this, that in the long run, you are going to be left with sexy movie star skin. Also, I don't mean to sound like your mom, but you are what you eat, so might as well eat right. Remember to include fruits and vegetables in your diet and drink plenty of water, and that itself should take you a long way. Nothing comes easy in the city of dreams, but with a little thoughtfulness, some luck and diligence, you can have a great life and even better skin. And I really hope you'll follow these easy steps to pollution-proof your skin. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.